How to send video note on WhatsApp. First of all, on the WhatsApp app, go to the chat you want to send the video note in. Then you want to go to the bottom right hand corner where you see the little camera icon. Go ahead and click on that. That will bring up your camera roll. Potentially, if you already have a video, you can put it in there by clicking the bottom left hand corner where the little picture is, or you can click the video at the bottom of the screen to record one video of your own right there and then. So all you have to do is press and hold that red button in the middle bottom part of the screen. Do it for as long as you want, then go ahead and unhold it. Then here you can even edit the video, so you can kind of trim it. You can do some text edits, you can change the quality. There's lots of different things you could do there at the top of the screen. But once you've finished editing, all you'll need to do is click done in the top right hand corner, then click the bottom right hand corner where you see the green send button. That will send the video note. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.